Much love, family, and welcome back. I was sitting here trying some different styles with my hair, and this one came out pretty cute, so I thought I would share it with you. So if you're interested, stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. That's my buddy back there, Cashew. And we've got coconut and taro out right now, so you might see them as well. Anywho, let's get to it. Okay, so as you guys know, we are moving, so my backgrounds have been changing in like each video I do, and now I have, kind of nothing in the background and these guys running rampant. But we are going to do this thing. So in the back here, on this side, I've already done it. I've already done this side, and it's like my previous video when I did a short updo where I overlapped the hair. I keep looking in the wrong spot because my tripod is packed and this clippy thing has my viewfinder in the wrong area. I mean the, deal you look at. Anywho, I'm sorry. So this is like the updo where I overlapped the pieces of hair in the back all the way up, and then I used 2 locks to tie it. So I'm going to do the same thing over here, just going a little bit more to this side. Now mind you, my hair is curled still. It's not as curly as it was when I first curled it, but it's not straight. It's still, see how it kind of falls? So for me, that's like the perfect time to do styles. I love doing styles with when I have my curls in versus when it's just straight, because I find that my locks, at the length they are, they just kind of stick all over the place. In this way, they fall. So that's what I'm going to do over here on this side. Now, when you guys are doing your overlapping, you can do it like really perfect and pretty and grab the same amount of locks you do on each side as you're weaving up. I do not care. I'm just trying to get all my pieces up. This is a way of me getting my hair up without the smaller, because I started from a taper cut, without the smaller pieces falling out. So for me, it's just functional, but you can make it really pretty if you want to. My goodness, my apologies for these guys in the back. But now at this point, you can start seeing, it's just like the short updo I did before. You can start seeing where you want your hair in the front to fall. I want mine all the way over to the side. So I'm gonna, continue going up with the pieces and then take 2 and sort of tie them back. And I'll probably have to tie them back with more than just one piece. So I've tied one already, and I'm going to tie another one. I just take 2 locks, fairly long ones, and then I'm going to just tie them like that. And sometimes I tie them twice, sometimes just once. But like this one, I'm going to do the same thing with another one over here, and I'm going to keep tying. Here we go, look, I'm just tying, and I'm going to keep tying until I feel like it's nice and secure and that it's over as much as I want it to. Like, see, this will be too much for me. I don't like that. I kind of want this hang time right here, so I'm going to just keep tying. So here we go. I was about to put another of my lock jewelry. It fell out the other day and I was about to put one piece back in, but the cats have ran off with it and I have no idea where it's at right now. So I'm just gonna have to go with the pieces I have like that. But this is my look. I think I might put this guy over here. So, definitely let me know how you guys like this look. You know, my curls are falling out. I really wanted to try it when they were super curly, but that's okay. I didn't get a chance until now. But anywho, leave me any comments you have down below or questions, and I will see you all in the next few days. All right, bye.